everyone, my name is Kate and today I'm going to show you how to transfer this photo frame to this cute jewelry holder. I just have some earrings hanging now, but I'll add more jewelry later. This is perfect for beginners and it is a quick and easy project. For this project, you'll need some sort of a photo frame. I picked mine up at the Dollar Tree and it is 8 by 10. You don't have to use 8 by 10. You can use a different size frame. You're also going to need number 4 medium weight yarn. I have it in dark green. You're also going to need your 5mm crochet hook. You could also size down and use a 4 or 4.5. You're also going to need your scissors and a hot glue. We're going to start with the slip knot and a chain that is measuring at about 45 inches long, or a total of 170 chains. So you're going to continue and chain up until yours is measuring at about 170 chains. If you're making the same size as mine, I'm going to continue and chain up until I have a total of 170 chains. I finished chaining a total of 170 chains, and right over here to end, all I'm going to do is I already cut my yarn and I'm just going to pull out my hook and tighten it. That's all you have to do. So we're going to use this chain that we created to add it to the frame. We need to go ahead and remove the glass and the backing of the frame. We don't need that for now, so you can go ahead and pop it out, but be careful. Put this aside. We're going to use this chain that we created and we're going to glue it on the back of the frame. So we're going to start at this point. We're going to glue it down and then stretch the chain as much as you can and come on this side, but slant it a little bit. So come down a little bit lower and glue it here. And once we're done gluing here, we're going to bring the chain over back to this side and then stretch it again and glue it down a little bit lower from the beginning point. And then we're going to repeat this until the end. And that's what I'll be doing, is I'm just going to glue this chain that I've created all down this frame until the end. I just realized that I ran out of chain, so this is not going to work. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and cut this and I'm going to start a new chain. So I'm just going to use this color because I ran out of the dark green, and I'm just going to go ahead and make more chains and just continue gluing until the end. Just wanted to show you really quickly. So right here, I started on my new chain with a different color. I'm going to come back and add some glue to this point right here and just glue it right on top. And then we can cut this later, the yarn tails. And then I'm just going to continue and glue it on using this yarn. I went ahead and I finished gluing on my chains. And I had to change my yarn 3 times because I kept running out. So I used about 10 yards of yarn, not 4. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to add more glue to this part right here, just for support. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to continue and add more glue on all of these areas right here. There's several ways you can finish this. You can go ahead and place the glass back and just be careful with it because it is tied with the yarn chains. You can add some felt to the back and then add the backing and then press it down and close the little notches right here. And then you can leave it like this and you can add your jewelry on like this, or you can just hang it, which I'll show you the other way. I want to hang mine. I don't want to leave mine at the table like a picture frame. If you want to hang your jewelry holder, what you need to do is you need to create another chain that is about 20 chains long. Find the center and just glue on this chain right here to make a loop so we can hang our jewelry holder. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to glue it on like this. We finished gluing on a little loop right over here so we can hang our jewelry. You can also add little felt circles just to add more support on the ends. I'm going to leave mine like this. Now, you can leave it like this and just hang your jewelry. Or you can actually add a piece of felt and glue it on. Or even a piece of fabric if you like, and hang it like this. It's up to you how you finish it. I'm going to leave mine like this. I just want something simple and easy to use where I could just grab whatever it is I need and just put it on and I'll be done. But you get to choose how you finish yours. And this is how it looks like. I just added some earrings. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.